Yes, so now welcome back. We see they on I, they red. And we tell on that before say we get one guest for our miss. We go see they know say let on know say that guest in be. Because on a ground decide that guy in face new. So CM, how they feel I the red? How they feel I the red?
Yeah, before now I did feel on very well. And normally what you want me to talk again? I don't follow I the red now for Twitter, for YouTube now, bro.
Okay, CM, most of comedians come from Warrior. Are you from Warrior as well?
No.
Where are you from?
I be Igbo boy now, Southeast from Imo State.
Nah, Igbo.
Igbo confirm.
I confirm. See, any business where Igbo man want to do, you must learn the trade. Do you learn the trade of comedy before starting?
Yes, I learned the mathematics. How the money they call me.
Wait, how long you learn them?
You want me to talk about career?
You don't already they talk about that.
Because other of your colleagues them now, we will say, nah, we need to go to that line of business, supplying of comedy.
Yeah.
If you notice now, they need to supply audio CD comedy for Alaba again. Because the Igbo men themselves, they involve themselves. These guys are charging us too much. Because can't you be a comedian? Just produce many CDs and talk anyhow.
It would happen recently. You know now where the new president don't happen, everybody start change. So things don't really go down. And you know they work again. And you know when comedians go, bankers pay them big money, they pay them for body.
Yes.
So now they won't even want to learn the trade. Then they even ask you how you take drug. Say you understand. But God will help us with this.
Liza. So now even bankers they heavy comedians.
Yeah, heavy us.
All right. Yeah. Okay, now we don't enter Tori. Don't worry. Say boku yours touch CM Sumo making no say now I the red territory in find itself. Now we they move to the trade of. Okay, now.
You see how there? Oga madam there. Now get ass boy. Ass girl. I know pay them well, but I don't know why this will happen. You get one ass boy and they say, yeah, just dey tinker. Arrange when I carry apprentice. So I'm sorry, I say an ass boy.
Because I nearly want to give you slap before. God save you, say look away.
No man, yeah, you don't say what we don't
say. The same thing. How many apprentices they work for shop? They go to house, go clean house. So what do you apprentice?
I tell you, shake he don't walk. He can't do that. I don't know how to maneuver, package everything. Say, make him go kidnap a madam. Okay. Make we hear the story, I beg.
Yes, so Tori don't wanna be lie. Apprentice kidnap madam 2 years boy Pikin, AKTK. Faustina Oga, the mama of the 2 years boy, na fashion designer. Her new apprentice name na Ayomide, wey kidnap her son from her shop 3 days after she come work for her. According to the madam, Ayomide come Ajegunle to learn fashion design for her shop. She paid this madam 25,000 naira, come promise to bring her picture and other things where apprentice they take start to work. Now for morning, she come meet the woman for house. The woman come tell and say, make she just carry her son, go shop for her. Say she go soon come join there for shop. Make she run wash this her clothes for house. But before she go, no, it take time. Now first son call say, he not see Ayomide, he not see him brother for shop. The woman thought say, he no suspect any mago play because not be the first time where she dey give apprentice opportunity to take care of her children. Why this one call waka carry pikin loss? Police, yeah, make una help me. And so the woman shut up.
Oh, wow.
The problem I see for them, I know they not really give us the time when the guests start to the learn work. And they not give us the duration when we say...
No, like say, I listen to the gist there. He said the girl just won't start. She paid 25,000. She can't say she want to bring her pictures.
Meanwhile, they don't know what the girl can learn. Whether she can learn how to kidnap him.
You know, that it's
so maybe she won't start that line of kidnapping. But she know, and then she say, okay, maybe she go do apprentice for this woman, please.
Because they study the environment.
On a serious note, maybe... Do you not say they just say kidnap the girl? They never tell us the duration of time. Maybe now 1 week, 2 weeks. Because maybe probably that girl self no road. As the carry the PK come on, they took all waka loss. They can't say they kidnap the PK. I don't know, maybe
the way I take see am basically, just as when I ask me, say, I don't do the mathematics of comedy. This girl, if you don't can't look, say money day inside kidnapping. So if I pay 25,000, I think I get like 1 million ransom. And they no vet them now. You know, say Nigeria, anybody just employ Bogwero. Just like that. And now, the girl now, I sure say you don't have.
The girl not think well.
You sure say you don't have.
But madam, when they stay for jail.
If now you be this woman husband, what will be your first action?
If now me be the woman husband, normally, because if I even ever take anybody, I want to know where I come from, who him be. So normally, now my wife I go put the blame on. Though we don't enter and we begin look for him now.
Okay, but the woman no see anywhere, the girl no see anywhere go do kidnapping. Na Jegule. You know, say they only talk about Jegule, people they hustle. So why she go kidnap person, Pikin?
Person when they also inside Jegule.
You can't go kidnap Pikin. How much ransom?
She said she take risk. I swear to go do that kind of thing for Jegule. She take risk and as she take escape, I no go say na God. Because you know everything now. Because for you to do that kind of thing, escape from that kind of zone. Because how many times you don't hear say somebody thief for like Lekki or VI, say mob, they come put tire upon the person. They say let's hand him over to police.
Yes.
But get places where you dare no go thief. Because police station be like say far from where you do.
Moreover, the police station feel not far.
If you don't far,
they even dodge you come out.
There was a police go even free the person, say make them take action on that.
Well, still on kidnapping matter. I don't know why my producer decide to bombard us with kidnapping today.
Maybe now one kidnapping day.
Both the producer and our AP,
assistant producer,
so they are all guilty on this kidnapping issue.
I start to correct that too. We know they're guilty of kidnapping things.
No, of the materials.
Right.
If you see the way our producer dressed, go no say she's trying to kidnap.
On the verse, say apprentice go kidnap madam. Because say the girl do bad thing. What about person friend? Your friend gone. That make them say your what said me you go be your best friend. Your friend go kidnap in friend. 9 months old baby, 9 months. Pikin will just be 9 months. You go kidnap her. But more here the main details will happen.
Waiting we can kidnap her 9 months.
But this is serious.
My PK 75.
Yes, this on another story way. Wow. Be like saying that kidnapping things or children. I be today matter. Friend kidnap friend 9 months old baby. Oh letete. Mrs. Aino Adetola. In Pikin, they cry for a shop for a Jegule boundary side. As she they try to stop the Pikin to cry, the Pikin they stop. 9-1 a friend where they be fuel attendants or one filling station. Her name na Jennifer Arinze. She come and say make she carry the Pikin from Aino Adetola hand. Make she pet the Pikin to no cry. She come say she go carry the Pikin go buy bobo drink. As she carry the Pikin go before them go no. Now sote. She no return again with the Pikin. Only for the mama to realize say. Jennifer, you don't move with the Pikin. Before people go say Jack Robinson, the kidnapper don't carry the 9-month-old baby reach Okija for Anambra State. Police all the way from Lagos can't trace this woman reach Okija for Anambra State come Baba. Now the Pikin don't enter the mama hand back and this Jennifer they don't capture them and she begin to talk say she be get belle from village Lagos she get miscarriage and she no fit go back go tell the husband which story she want tell the husband. Now he make her say make she kidnap her Pikin go show the husband say na Pikin when she finally born. Oh Jennifer, how the matter be now? Oh to do better. See your people.
Now, what do you mean?
Because you carry belle from Anambra call Lagos. You can't get miscarriage inside Lagos. You know can't go back to tell your husband say get miscarriage. Now you can't carry person Pikin. Go as your own. Now still carry am now. Now miscarriage go see call that one or carry carriage. God they wash you. Anambra people.
Our problem now how to get belle to born Pikin. Now it can't be the problem. And since the round don't miss. Very simple now. This is what Nigeria police should do when they arrest her. Man, no put her for female prison. Put her for men prison. You know those prisoners who never browse for like how long? My sister, you go born. No!
Why they calling this kind of thing?
No. We are looking I want to put a stop.
I support them.
I don't agree.
No, it's my opinion. I'm not saying you should agree.
I like it.
Now, listen, now, she didn't look for Pikin. Not be say she kidnap, won't go say. She won't go present her as her own Pikin because the war with get what means. Now, very easy. She in prison now. Because if they feel released after how many years now, she'll go kidnap again. Now, if they put her for man prison, you know those guys, you know how long they never do.
She'll come out with children.
What else will come out with children?
You know, say when they will arrest you for prison, they'll tell the duration go stay for prison. So they don't say a problem are 9 months. They say, woman, you're not going to stay long this way. 9 months, now you go to prison. 9 months. They will release you after 9 months. So after that 9 months, the thing says she will come out with. Only she go to time police. You go to time police.
When they go bail and say, oh yeah, when the girl wait kidnap, oh yeah, you are very free. Oh yeah, where are children they waiting she bought for sale? Oh yeah, pass.
No.
Okay.
Wait
Kidnapping is bad, whether you kidnap for money or you kidnap to help your own self. Now somebody is something you carry. So we dey beg you, stop am. So if you dey there, they watch us now, you dey plan now, say you won't begin enter kidnapping thing. We dey beg you, stop am because I dey read people, we dey wash. And when we hear your matter, we go table am.
The secret service is open because when they carry and go, even though police, because the way investment pass, our police still know from Majigule go that side. Go carry that one. That police me when I hear for
see, maybe they try to say something.
No, I want. Wait till I try talk. We say I don't believe say the girl kidnapped the baby. Maybe the mama know they take good care of her. Me just say me carry and go and go take care of her.
Yeah, you do well.
Okay, this guy. I talk rubbish. I talk rubbish. I call it. That man can talk one talk better thing. This guy.
It is about his sister.
No,
but the secret go see open. No. But don't say na Jegule Pikin.DEM now.
Yes.
When don't grow, the father will say, this is not my son.
So for men those of an say somebody come me to say because of Pikin they cry, make him go buy biscuit for him. Not give him a chance, wash him, because now there it happen. Pikin they cry, say me go buy biscuit for the Pikin, leave him, make her and go. From buy biscuit for boundary, now Okija for Anambra, then they go.
They buy biscuit at Tapaku.
Another matter there for grand, no no blessing and kidnapping to be religious today. This one now a funny thing, you know, say when somebody owe you some money, you go say, oh, God, pay me my money, you commit crime.
No.
Okay. More hear this story. Then shoot one man die because he go collect money where they owe him. I take be your own money that they owe you.
Now the man that will take come out of the money.
Moku hear the story. Then we go come back and address the issue. Moku hear the story. Yeah, so this one another story where don't worry. Man shot dead as he tried to collect money where then they owe him. The story be say Michael Ayogu, na farmer where they work for Onyema Mama Idoko of Unyi Ete in Igboeze North local government area of Enugu State. In job na to cut palm nuts, they give this man, and for him to collect money in return. But he noticed that this man and they grip pay him. Now he goes and go collect him money. We don't work for Onyema Mama Idoko. But instead make Onyema Mama Idoko pay this man in money. He can't carry gun, take shoot him for mouth, or kill him. Why? Story war.
That is a shooter for mouth.
Yeah.
Now poverty, now they cause all this kind of thing. Rich man don't feed this kind of thing now.
Well, time not too plenty. We for really want push more on this matter. Abi, Shagara?
Yes.
But one thing I go talk, one word, now we go just talk, they advise people.
Yeah.
The advice I go give be say, if person owe you money, no go by yourself, carry police follow body. So that when the person carry gun won't shoot you, see police. You no go shoot you. Now my advice, bro, so to your own.
Oh, hey, he pay me, say, this
one word though.
If you hold debt, try pay your debt on time. Just one word, pay your debt on time. If not, you go come with debt and you go die. If you not pay your debt.
This guy take a personal.
No, that's too bad.
Okay, my own be say, if somebody they owe you, pray before you come up for her so that it go easy to collect her.
If person they owe you, no carry police go. If not, you go collect the money they owe you, then you go pay. That means you don't work anything. You don't work anything.
This guy ain't
go by yourself.
Yes.
Tell the guy, give me my money when you owe me. If you shoot my mouth, I will shoot you back. Give me my money.
Okay. As we just take you the advice, pick the one way you like, but the four of us will try to throw the advice give you. This one I the red and I so go take closer for today. My name na Lucky Child and your name na
MC Sharik.
And so it be. My name na Shakara.
My name is CM.
And I the red with the conjure on again next week. We remain on a party. God bless you, people.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.